Here I have Mercedes Vito, and let me show you how to enable or disable the blind spot assist. So let me show you how to use it, how to activate it, and I will explain what it does. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Mercedes infotainment system. Let's swipe here to the left until you see the car icon. Let's just tap it to open settings. From this menu, let's select here the collision avoidance, and here you've got access to blind spot assist. So what it does, it uses sensors to detect vehicles in the areas you cannot see in your side mirrors. If a car is in your blind spot, a red triangle appears on the side mirror. If you turn on your signal to change lanes while someone is there, the car will beep loudly as a warning. So I usually recommend to have this enabled. You can just do it by using this toggle. Here, if you tap the eye information, you've got also the explanation from Mercedes. This function monitors the areas alongside and behind the vehicle and warns you of a vehicle already there or those approaching. So I will keep it enabled, and I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.